Menteri Rangba Kejelau CONRAD Kongkal SANGMA ulong baga Meghalaya Kḽiᴏ ya kejengki syaprang hagi babun gi benta bede baga kot kakya kat kum kakai pot jong ke NFHS Pusan bat kat kum kakai pot Kḽiᴏ ya kejing 𝕸𝕟 kejing simkya ke sorkar halor kene ke benta ule tho baga jing trai hagi district hospital PHC CHC bat sub center ke liya cekman baga sorkar kan sashim shushu iksenjam man penklan gi jing tai gi shnong gi thau ulong baga Shillong Medical College Kladon benta ha ke senam ke baar bat chane ka batch ke batmai penrung no bat ke sorkar ke ajing menjur ban penbu ni gijing tai bat dikino hikai hagi wat ban kenjo e gijing bu kerdan hagari India.
And in this review we have seen the NFHS report of 2025 and the different parameters of the health indicators in the state were reflected in that report, which is of course a national report for different states that comes out. And again, I'm very happy to see that the overall performance of Meghalaya has improved drastically in almost all the parameters in a positive way, which indicates that a lot of our efforts are showing results, especially as I said in the health sector. At the same time, we reviewed the different infrastructural works and investments going on in the health sector, whether it's at the district hospital level, PHCs, CHCs or sub-centers. And again, I'm happy to inform that the works are going on at a very good pace. Of course, there is a lot more desired as the scale of work that's going on is very huge, but we are happy to see the progress. And further, as I said, we will ensure that more and more steps are taken to strengthen the overall health infrastructure in the grassroots level. The third aspect of the health department, which we had discussed today, was regarding the medical colleges. And as you're aware that we have already started the Shillong Medical College, and this is the second year now. And therefore the first year students of this year's batch will be again joining. So there is a requirement for additional rooms, additional faculty space, additional academic space. So all those matters were discussed in detail, and we have agreed to work out in a phase-wise manner to ensure that there is no lack of infrastructure in Shillong Medical College, and we keep up with the different requirements that is there at the national level.
Kesorkar jelak layatai bat penpau kejing dan kam menang penklan ya kejing penrung kerteng adhar bat KYC hakaleng kejela ban pentikna bagi nongyok bentai ke beri hok kinyo kejing mentoy negi skim beper. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bagi kesorkar jelak kelap jing mut ban pendap kejing duna ha kejing penyeso adhar bat jing pensisai kinongyok jing mentoy. Lapentip bah nyau point not ar nagsispa kilong yang kidai kebelasya akan tup apa ka Megha Health Insurance Scheme Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana neka MHIS PMJAY balpediso bu adhar katba san punyo point iway lai nagsispa kidai kinong yok jung toy shimet baladat penyeso. Menteri Rangba uliato bahapo jong ka National Food Security Act kejela kelapendap hadu hendrup kuway point not iway nagsispa ya ka KYC. Bagi sorkar kedon kejing perkat ban penon kamno dagi Common Service Center ban penstat ya kejing pensisai ke bedangsa bat ban penrung kerteng adhar ya ki breu ki bampat dep hakeleng kejela.